I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and begin my drive from Limassol to Paphos to meet my hard-working team at the office. I strongly believe that we have the best software developers in the world, now enhanced with marketing professionals.
I create software and I compose code.
The company must evolve for the better. Call me a driver of change.
I handle global marketing and public relations. I create clear marketing communications with clients and partners worldwide.
My daily job is to manage dealer sales, support their projects and events. Typically, I received my first emails at 6 a.m. and replied to the last one at 11 p.m. The most challenging part of my job is to find the balance between communication and results. After all, business is not only about money, but primarily about people and personal relationships.
For 3 years now, I have been the lead developer of Machine Maker application. The most challenging aspect is to design software components in a way that is not only convenient for me, but also for other developers.
I am a member of the R&D team charged with significantly advancing the development process and taking it to an entirely new level.
Software development is not just a job, it's a way of life, so it's impossible to simply pause for a break. Seriously, I will engage in programming even if it didn't bring in a paycheck. Just don't let my boss know.
I love swimming in wetsuit and snorkel mask all year round. And I also enjoy exploring the rich history of different countries and the diverse cultural heritage of Cyprus.
Cyprus is perfect for hiking, plus the local cuisine is exceptionally delightful, a must-try.
I enjoy active sports, particularly basketball, and I strive to spend my leisure time with family.
I enjoy playing basketball with my colleagues, running in the mornings, in the evenings, watching the magnificent sunsets in Paphos, and walking along the seaside promenade.
I enjoy the sea, discovering new places on the island, and night drives through the city.
I start my day with an hour at the golf club's driving range. Weekends are for playing 9 holes or beach sunbathing. If rock bands visit Cyprus, I'll likely be at the concert.
My free time is spent engaging in water sports like wake surfing, wakeboarding and windsurfing. These activities give me energy boost. Hiking in the mountains helps me to keep my emotional balance. My other passion is music. Playing music is not only just enjoyable for me, it's also meditation, which helps me to keep my mind calm and sharp, and I strongly believe that this is vital for my work.
The magic of CAM is the ability to make beautiful things out of the piece of raw material.
CAM is an incredible tool for creating almost anything you can imagine. It's fabulous. CAM systems weave spells of efficiency for CNC operators and programmers, allowing them to quicken their tasks.
Much like in the Cinderella tale, a CAM system user has the power to turn a pumpkin into a carriage.
I dream of the day when AI will revolutionize CAM systems, and they will be able to fully automatically program the machining of parts of any complexity. That would be real CAM magic.
We enable people to craft from scratch, offering products that streamline tasks and enhance daily work. By blending efficiency with exceptional user experience, we create magical synergy in our work.